Hello and welcome to our special Year 5 Warren Park Junior School Apple Pi on weather and the effects of weather.
It is the sun that provides the energy that drives the Earth's weather. The sun heats the levels of atmosphere by different amounts, which heats these layers by different amount. And the areas of heated air move around producing wind. As warm air rises, the moisture in the air condenses and forms clouds and rain.
It is warm air condensing that produces the many types of clouds. All these clouds produce moisture that falls as rain, sleet, snow or hail.
So how does this moisture affect a sport such as football? Rain makes the pitch slippery and the players' boot studs cannot grip in the soil. The mud also sticks to their boots, making them heavy, tiring the players. If the moist ground then freezes, then the ground becomes solid and again the studs cannot grip. This can be even more dangerous as the ground is solid for the player to fall on.
Wind is caused by high-pressure warm air moving to areas of low-pressure cold air. This not only produces wind at ground level but at all levels of the atmosphere.
The design of new football stadium attempts to minimise the effects of wind, which may affect the players or the ball. This is most obvious when you see the ball curve in the air or rise into the air only to drop like a stone. The wind also affects the players as it has a cooling effect on the skin that in extreme cases can cause hypothermia.
In the summer, high pressure causes very little cloud and allows the sun's heat to reach the ground, warming the Earth's surface and also people, animals and plants.
Heat can affect sports such as football by causing heat stroke. Heat stroke can affect the players as extreme heat can overpower the human body and make the player faint. Water is released as sweat from the body in an attempt to cool the skin. The lack of fluid is what makes the body dehydrated, and that is when fainting occurs.
But can the weather affect a person's mood? In one word, yes. Cold temperatures can make you work slower. This is because it reduces sensory feedback, muscle strength and blood flow. Sunlight makes you spend money because we feel more positive and shop more. Rain can cause you pain because the low pressure allows fluid to move around the joints, causing the pain.
Thanks for watching. Back to the studio.